In this video, Bitcoin has now confirmed a massive bearish cross in the stochastic RSI, and on top of that, we are also going to discuss this massive wedge forming in the weekly time frame RSI, as well as we are seeing that rejection. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you some quick recap first. So sa previous video, we were saying na we were seeing a lot of sellers sa Bitcoin, especially if you're going to zoom in the hourly and 4-hour time frame. Let's try to zoom out dito and open the volumes. You can see now we are seeing somewhat of multiple sellers here in the Bitcoin. If you're going to consolidate all of those small time traders, all of the small time trades, you would see now we were seeing some significant sell volume coming in dito kay Bitcoin, so that was hinting a potential downtrending dito kay Bitcoin. And on top of that, if you're going to zoom out dito in the weekly time frame and open the RSI, you will see now we are seeing that increasing price with a declining RSI, which is a traditional sign of a bearish divergence. And finally, ang isang pinag-uusapan nga natin dito is this stochastic RSI. Stochastic RSI wherein if magkaroon tayo ng bearish cross, then that is going to indicate a downtrend within the next few weeks. So, right now, we have actually confirmed this bearish downtrend and tinake advantage ko to nung nagkaroon ako ng opportunity na mag-open ng trade. And yeah, in-update ko kayo guys dito sa Instagram ko. If wala pa kayo sa Instagram ko, you can actually follow me guys. Or actually, much better na you follow me there kasi dun sa channel ko dyan, may channel ako dyan sa Instagram where I send updates if mag-open ba ako ng trade or if may inopen ba ako, sinasabi ko dyan, or if may updates pa ako kung ipopost ko yung video today. Kasi hindi ako nakapag-post last Thursday. So, yeah, isasabihin ko dyan sa IG ko or sa Instagram ko if magpo-post ako ng video. So, make sure to follow my Instagram. You can find this guys in the description down below or you can follow me, Tristan Bal, on Instagram. And, yeah, going back dito, what does this mean now na nagkaroon tayo ng stochastic RSI bearish cross kay Bitcoin? So, looking at the previous charts dito kay Bitcoin, whenever na we are seeing a bearish stochastic RSI cross, that would indicate that we are going to see a downtrend. Now, is this going to confirm a bear market? To confirm a bear market, it has to satisfy at least 3 indicators, 'di ba? Pero dito, if you're going to look at the stochastic RSI alone, if yan lang titingnan nyo, the last time na we had a bearish cross, that did not significantly play a massive downtrend, but rather, we saw a massive down movement dito from the 110,000 pabalik ng 90,000 US dollars or 99,000 US dollars. We saw a significant downtrend dyan kay Bitcoin. Then, huling bearish cross then around December, we saw Bitcoin drop down from 105 pabalik ng 77,000 US dollars. So right now, that is indicating now if we are seeing this similar bearish cross, it would actually indicate na we can see Bitcoin go down, but when it comes to gano'ng katagal siya babagsak, that will actually depend on other indicators pa din. So, yeah, right now we are seeing this bearish cross na dito kay Bitcoin, and to make that bearish cross stronger, you are seeing it in a bearish divergence, meaning price is increasing, RSI is declining. So those are much stronger signs wherein we can see a bigger bearish cross. However, another thing to take note dito is if you're going to look at this one indicator alone nga lang, you can see na we are seeing a support na dito. So it could indicate that we might see a support around the 104 to 107,000 US dollars. So if ever na bumagsak si Bitcoin tuloy-tuloy dito, right now the first support area na we have to monitor is this, and then after that, we're going to monitor sa mga shorter time frames kung magko-continue pa ba ito pababa, or is this going to see, or are we going to see a bounce dito. But on top of that, ang gusto ko rin ipakita din dito is this RSI in the weekly time frame. You would see na we are forming a massive rising wedge dito kay Bitcoin, and that is typically a bad sign kasi usually a rising wedge would indicate na it is a trend reversal movement to the downside pabalik sa baba ng wedge. And as from what we are seeing here, it's actually leading to 55,000 US dollars, which for now, I don't think na it's currently possible but we are going to monitor within the next few weeks if day by day, if let's say yung movement ni Bitcoin is nag-show ng potential signs na pumagsak siya ng 55, then we are going to monitor. But right now, $55,000 it's starting to look like a possibility dito kay Bitcoin. And we haven't had any weekly time frame na gantong kalaking rising wedge. So this is actually very big. It's the first time na actually I'm going to see this kind of a big rising wedge na makita sa weekly time frame. And ang maganda dito is if you're going to look at this in the RSI, ito, yung RSI natin dyan, you can see na sobrang perfect ng rise ng pag-form ng rising wedge in this bearish divergence. You can see nagkakaroon ng falling wedge dito sa RSI. So that would indicate na we can see Bitcoin go down for the time being dito sa bearish divergence natin. But the moment na bumagsak na sa Bitcoin, let's say this entered into a bear market. Let's say we entered into a bear market tapos umakyat ulit si Bitcoin. Ang magiging next move niyan is if magkakaroon to ng breakout, then we can see a massive bull market dito kay Bitcoin. So it's looking like it's already the end of a cycle, and ang mangyayari dyan is we have to wait this massive wedge to form and complete. Then after that, we can see a big bull market. So my thoughts na ngayon sa buong crypto market is I think we are going to see the end of a bull market. It's more likely going to be a downtrend na muna for the time being kay Bitcoin, especially if we are going to look at the RSI and stochastic RSI. There are multiple bad signs, sell volumes nagkakaroon, and yeah, yun yung magandang tingnan na ngayon. And ang magandang i-take advantage actually dyan is if let's say you are a short-term trader, you can actually open short positions dito kay Bitcoin. But if let's say hindi ka naman nag-features or leverage trading, it's actually a good time for you to invest dito. In that case, once na bumagsak dito si Bitcoin around the $90,000 or $100,000, gagawa na tayong panibagong video for a DCA strategy kung saan ba tayo mag-re-enter dito kay Bitcoin. And for now, na wala pa naman nangyayari yung ganun, hindi pa natin siya gagawa ng DCA video. But, yeah, maggagawa ko ng video within the next few days or next few weeks para regarding the DCA strategy, para kahit pa paano lahat tayo prepared. And if ever na gusto natin mag-open ng panibagong investment kay Bitcoin, especially ako gusto ko ulit mag-open ng panibagong investment kay Bitcoin just like what I did for the past 2 or 3 market cycles. I want to take advantage of this again. So, yeah, make sure to hit the notification bell down below and hit the subscribe button down below so you won't miss out yung mga magiging next trades natin, next investments dito kay crypto. And make sure to follow me on IG kasi of course nandun ako mag-update na real-time talaga na update sa channel ko doon. And yeah, if wala pa kay account para mag-open ng trade, make sure to trade this guys kay Bybit kasi kay Bybit mas mura Bitcoin trading fees. Ang dami ako nakausap na nagbabayad sila and then ang laki ng fees nila. Well, my main answer talaga sa inyo guys is to trade sa Bybit kasi mas mura trading fees dito. Yung tipong pag-open mo ng trade, hindi mo ramdam na binawasan ka or nakaltasan ka ng gas fees or ng kahit anong trading fees. Unlike sa Binance, once na mag-open ka ng trade, kaltas ka kagad. So dito kay Bybit, hindi siya ganun. So, yun, if wala pa kayo account with Bybit, make sure to use our sign up link na you can find in the description down below. And if you want to learn these analysis na ginagawa ko, you can actually check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. It's all for free guys and you can find that guys in the description down below. Anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.